Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, July 21st. We did see a very hot day across the Wallops region yesterday, breaking the old record of 98 degrees with a high of 100 degrees. Going to be another hot one out there today and humid, not quite as hot temperature-wise, but that heat index has already reached 108 degrees on the main base this morning as of just before 10 a.m. So we do anticipate that to get above 110 degrees, and we will be continuing to see very hot and humid conditions with heat index values above 105 degrees over the next couple of days, as well as daily chances of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, not too much to look at. We do have some high pressure dominating the area with some very light flow out there. Wind is very light, which has helped to bump up that humidity value a little bit higher, which is why we're seeing that heat index get so high so early in the morning. That wind has not kicked up yet to help mix out the atmosphere a bit. We also do have this very weak stationary front across the northern Delmarva, and that is going to give us a little bit more of a focus for some isolated showers and thunderstorms to develop as we go into this afternoon. It does look like the best area to see those development is going to be across the Maryland eastern shore. Only a very slight chance of seeing a storm this afternoon down towards Wallops, and then we'll see that front move through the area late tonight, and that might give us a slightly better chance to see some isolated thunderstorm activity across the Wallops region, mainly starting at midnight tonight and through about 4 a.m. tomorrow. Take a quick look at our satellite across the region. Still seeing mostly sunny skies. We are going to be seeing those cumulus clouds start to pop up here pretty much any minute, I think, and then seeing those thunderstorm chances increase a bit once we get into the early afternoon hours. Like I said, most likely going to be seeing a little bit higher chances across the Maryland eastern shore, but still could be seeing something pop up over the Wallops region, running about a 20% chance for this afternoon. Take a brief look at our upper level winds this morning. Seeing those winds light and variable at the surface, and then shifting westerly at 3,000 to 12,000 feet, around 10 to 20 knots, and then from 16 to 25,000 feet, seeing those winds more southwesterly, around 15 to 20 knots at that level as well. Freezing level this morning is just below 15,000 feet. For today, going to be looking at a high of 95 degrees. That heat index is, like I said, already up to 108, so it's very likely we'll be seeing that heat index get above 110 degrees at some point today. Very similar to yesterday when we saw that heat index get above 110 degrees as well. So very humid out there once again. If you're doing any outside work, to take precautions against that. Winds are going to increase this afternoon from the south-southwest around 6 to 11 knots, then becoming southerly at 7 to 12 knots by the mid to late afternoon hours. And then near sunset, we'll see those winds shift southwesterly at 5 to 10 knots. And then when we get into any showers or storms around midnight, we'll see those winds become more variable and a little bit gusty before they return to more of a southwesterly direction around 5 to 10 knots in the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow and through the mid-morning. We are going to be seeing another mild low tomorrow morning of 79 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecasts, currently seeing just a few clouds near 3,000 feet, a few at 7,000, and a few to scattered cirrus cloudiness. Not going to be seeing too much of a change in that today. We could be seeing that cumulus deck near 3,000 to 5,000 feet become scattered this afternoon and then broken to overcast if we see that slight chance of a thunderstorm. As we go into this evening, going to be seeing some scattered clouds near 15,000 feet across the area associated with some convective debris from those storms that are going to be off to the north or across the bay. As we go on tonight, you're going to see those ceilings drop to around 2,000 feet, possibly a little bit lower than that if we get into any showers or storms between midnight and 4 a.m. And by mid-morning tomorrow, seeing just a few clouds at 1,500 feet, a few at 5,000, broken at 15,000, and broken at 18,000 as well. Let's take a quick look at some short-term weather models just to show you how our weather pattern is going to be progressing throughout the day. So this is 2 p.m. Not going to be seeing any showers and storms pop towards the first couple hours of the afternoon. But once we get towards around 3 p.m., this model has been indicating that's when we're going to start to see those showers and thunderstorms really quickly develop, mainly across the Maryland eastern shore. They can't rule out the storms popping across the Wallops region as well. even though this model does not necessarily show that. As we go throughout the afternoon and evening into this model, this is the sunset. We're going to be seeing a line of some showers and storms start to approach the bay. It is a little bit of a question mark how well these will survive over the water, but there is some slightly increasing confidence that they will be able to make it across the bay and then impacting the Delmarva around the midnight hour this evening. Taking a little bit look in our longer range here. This is this afternoon, seeing those showers and storms pop up. This model does not show those storms tonight, but it's still looking like a possibility, at least a 20 to 30% chance of seeing some isolated storms in the area around that midnight time frame. As we go into tomorrow, we're going to be looking at another hot and humid day. Temperatures in the mid to upper 90s once again. Heat index values likely near 110 degrees once again. We're also going to be seeing this shortwave approach the area. It is going to remain west of the area throughout much of the day Wednesday, so only about a 20% chance of seeing an isolated shower or thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon. And then Thursday, we are going to be seeing more of that upper level shortwave impact the area for the afternoon period. So could be seeing some more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening. And that piece of energy is going to linger across the coast, it looks like, for Friday, at least according to this model, giving us another round of some decent chances for showers and thunderstorms as we go into this weekend. And then we'll see 20 to 30% chances of some pop-up showers and storms as we go into this upcoming weekend. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, and looking at that 20% chance of a pop-up storm this afternoon, 20% chance tomorrow as well, with those very warm temperatures, heat index values near 110 degrees for today and tomorrow. Perhaps starting to see a little bit of a cooling trend on Thursday by a degree or two as we get some more cloud cover and those higher chances of scattered storms. Still going to be looking at a heat index of above 100 degrees, though, on Thursday as we get a little more moisture in the area. So we could even be seeing slightly more humid conditions, even if the temperature is going to be down a degree or two. As we go into Friday through Sunday, we are going to be seeing scattered thunderstorms once again. Friday is going to be a little bit cooler out there, 89 degrees, and then seeing those temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for Saturday and Sunday, with slowly decreasing storm chances for both of those days. And then Monday looks like our best chance to finally get a break from the shower and thunderstorm chances, but still going to be looking at a slight chance of a pop-up. It is going to be muggy once again, and we'll be seeing those temperatures rise into the 90s once again as well. So I might see a break from those 100-degree heat index values for Saturday or perhaps Sunday, but it looks like as we go into next week, those oppressive heat index values will return once again. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.